Hi everyone. Okay, today teacher would like to share the recording for the learning standard 1.1.2, which is determine the domain and range of a functions. Okay, for students that didn't attend my class, okay, so you can watch the recording with your classmate, or those that already enter the class last week, you still can rewatch the video, okay, in order for you to do revisions. Okay, hopefully you all can finish all the whole video and proceed for your exercise. See you all next week.
Okay, one of it dah. Okay, modulus. Okay, modulus function, right? You learn modulus. Okay, what is the shape of the graph for the modulus function?
V shape.
Sorry, can I hear you? Louder, please. V shape. Okay, yes, V shape. Okay, so for modular function, the graph is like a V shape. Okay, it's like this. Okay, we call modular functions. Okay, means that your fx is equal to like this one. Okay, modulus lah. Okay, modulus function. Okay, beside modulus function, what else you all learn? Anyone? Nurin? Okay. What is beside modulus functions? What else we learned in the previous lesson? Nurin, Nurin, are you there? Please respond.
Yes, teacher.
So in previous lesson, beside modulus function, what else you all learn? Recall back. Because we one week class we didn't meet online. Someone already forgot everything. What else we learned before this? Beside modulus function, how you express is what, using what? Function notation, right? Right or not? And what else? Okay, someone can help. Okay, Nurin cannot answer. Anyone to help out? Boleh saja siapa-siapa nak on mic untuk jawab soalan cikgu? Ada tak? Tak ada, saya anggap semua tak hadir hari ni. So how we need to determine what test that we carry out? You remember or not?
Vertical line test.
Yes, vertical line test. What is the purpose of using the vertical line test? Kenapa kita nak guna vertical line test tu? Untuk test apa?
To determine is it a function or not.
Okay, yes, to determine whether the given graph or the given function, normally vertical line test is we have to test on the graph lah. Okay, whether the given graph is a function or not. Okay, so we carry out the vertical line test. Okay, so how many types of relations that you all learn? Okay, in form 2, how many types of relations? Berapa jenis hubungan? 4. Okay, Amy Faizal, can you name me all the 4 relations?
1 to 1.
Yes.
1 to many.
1 to many, then?
Many to 1.
Many to 1.
Many to many.
Many to many. Okay, you learn relation also. Okay, so that is 1 to 1. Okay, many to 1. Okay, then 1 to many and many to many. Okay, from these 4 relations, which one is a function? Martin, can you give me your answer? Okay, just now Amy Faizal just stated all the relations. So from these 4 relations, which one is a function? Mana satu?
Many to 1.
Many to 1 dan and
1 to 1.
1 to 1. Okay, so ingat yang untuk yang fungsi, the behind must be 1. Okay, 1 to 1 and many to 1. That's only relation which is considered functions. Okay, so what else you learn about object and image, right? We learn about the function mapping. Let's say if I write fx equal to y, means what? X map to y. Okay, this one you have to remember. Okay, then what else? You have to write in the function notation, right? This is one of the way. Another way is we have to write fx, okay, like this one. Sorry, no bracket. We use arrow, okay, function notation, okay, this one. Okay, so there's 2 methods to write out the functions, okay, either use the This one or this one. Both also can be accepted. Okay. So today we go to this function. The discrete function and the continuous functions. Okay. So what is the difference? Okay. When you heard about discrete and continuous functions. Okay. What is the difference? Can you give examples or not based on what you understand? When you say discrete, what is discrete? Continuous, what is continuous? Give some example that you in our daily life. Okay, in the textbook, I think there is some example. Is there any example? You can refer to the textbook as well. Okay, siapa boleh bagi jawapan? Anyone want to share your answer? What do you think? Okay, about discrete function and continuous functions. Sharifah, Shazwin, can give your answer. Apa-apa saja yang kamu faham tentang dua perkataan ini, iaitu discrete, fungsi discrete dengan fungsi selanjar kalau in BM. Okay, kalau siapa anggrek ya, kalau anggrek guna teks BM, is a fungsi selanjar. So in English is called it continuous functions. Okay, discrete samalah, hanya dia punya ejaan berlainan sahaja. Okay, so siapa-siapa boleh bagi tahu apakah perbezaan antara kedua-dua tu? Boleh bagi contoh? Ada kelas Anggrek dengan kelas Esther kan? So some they are fifth, some not. Okay, so I try to use bilingual. Tak ada. Langsung tak tengok buku teks sebelum ni. Okay, so kita tengok. Okay, this is a graph. This is the sample. Okay, ni nampak ni graph ni kan? Discrete, fungsi discrete function. Okay, the domain is here and the range is here. Okay. So what is discrete function? Okay, this is the definitions of the discrete function. So for the discrete function, which a graph that contains points that are only integer. Okay, there's no line that connect the points. Okay, see, there's only point here. Okay, they're like not joining all the points. Okay, tak sambungkan semua titik itu. Okay, one of the example is like number of students in a school. Okay, sebab dia tak sambungkan bilangan pelajar dalam sekolah. Okay, so it's not connected all the points. So this type we call discrete functions. Okay, so another type which call continuous functions. When heard about continuous, maknanya dia beturutan lah, ada sambung lah. Okay, so which a graph is that is connected with line or curves. Okay, so example, time taken for a student to run 1 kilometer. Okay, so let's say this is the graph for the one of the student, the time. Maybe from first 10 minutes, okay, how many kilometer? Maybe 3 kilometer, then followed by another half an hour, the 30 minutes, how many kilometer? Means that we can see the progress, okay, of the students running, okay. So that's we call continuous function. So the graph will be joining lah in a line, either in a straight line or in a curve. So that is called continuous functions. So can differentiate not? Boleh bezakan antara fungsi selanjar dengan fungsi discrete not? Boleh ke tak boleh?
Yes.
Boleh. Okay. Shanu, mic ada problem. Okay. So Shanu, now are you okay now? So boleh dengar cikgu kan? Okay, if you cannot respond, you just type at the chat, no problem. Tapi make sure ada kat sana lah. Okay, so any next? Okay, so any. So Kak Cikgu nak bagi dah contoh ni, ada beberapa. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I want you to tell me, okay, which one is discrete, which one is continuous function? Mana satu adalah discrete? Mana satu adalah ini cikgu kena buat drag and drop, so I tak boleh buat presentations. So discrete length of your hair growth, so is considered discrete or continuous? Siapa nak respon? Asyik orang sama je kan? Nak cuba panggil nama tu. Afika, ada tak?
Yes, sister. Yes.
Okay, so length of hair growth, panjang rambut kamu tumbuh tu, consider discrete or continuous? Mana satu? Tadi cikgu dah terangkan kan apa beza antara discrete dengan selanjang. Boleh ulang balik tak definisi? Apa beza antara kedua-dua fungsi tu? Bentuk graf dia macam mana? Tak dengar Afika tadi. Ke tak faham lagi? Yes, Afika.
Discrete.
Discrete. Kenapa kata ini adalah discrete? Rambut kamu tumbuh tu panjang dia tumbuh tu nombor bulat ke tak? Ataupun sekarang rambut you tumbuh, lepas tu tak akan tumbuh dah. Macam mana rasanya? Length of your hair, panjang rambut tu panjang tu kan, kadang kita tiap hari kita punya rambut akan tumbuh kan, akan panjang kan, dia punya ketumbuhan tu. So akan jadi lebih panjang kan. Setiap hari dia pun length mungkin lain. So mungkin hari ni kamu rasa kamu tak ukur lah, tapi adalah dia punya perubahan setiap hari kamu punya rambut tu panjang tu kan. So kenapa kamu kata dia discrete? Kalau discrete mesti nombor bulat, lepas tu dia punya graf tak ada sambung. Tak ada bersambung. Tapi rambut kamu tumbuh itu akan continuous growing right, your hair. Your hair will stop growing? Ada kemungkinan tak? Yes, Afika, macam mana? No, right? So kamu punya tak akan, dia akan sambung, akan tumbuh kan kamu punya rambut. So dia adalah consider apa? Dia ada consider adalah continuous. Length of hair growth is a continuous. Okay, here. Okay, continuous. Okay, dia bukan adalah discrete. Discrete maknanya dia tak ada sambung. Okay, so another one, book in the library. Buku dalam library tu, discrete ataupun continuous? Ini orang lain pula. Anissa, Aina Syafiqah. Aina Syafiqah ada tak? Aina 1, Aina 2, Aina 3. Ke ada type kat ruangan chat? Kita check dulu. Ada. Okey, apa ke jawapan dia? Aina, apa jawapan dia? Books in the library. Buku dalam perpustakaan tu, dia discrete ataupun continuous? Mana satu? Cepat fikirkan jawapan tu. Ini benda yang mudah je. Okey, kalau dia ada sambung maknanya nanti bayangkan graf tu akan sambung, akan jadi satu garis lurus. Ini berapa buku itu. Kalau disambung dia adalah continuous. Kalau tak sambung dia adalah discrete. So macam mana buku dalam library tu discrete ke continuous? Yang lain tu boleh bantu tak?
Discrete.
My laptop hang, so give me some time to restart it. Okay, so you are trying to see how is the discrete and the continuous function. Okay. Later give me the answer. Okay. So I still sharing my screen. So you later you give me the answer. Okay. So I try to restart my laptop. Okay. Because in this one I'm using another device. Okay. Okay. That's my okay. This one later you give me all the answers. Okay. I try to restart my laptop. Okay, about the temperature, the distance, and the messages. So what's the answer for the numbers of patients? What's the answer?
Discrete.
Number of patients discrete, right? I give the answer already. Okay, how about the temperature?
Continuous.
Okay, yes, temperature is a continuous. Okay, so temperature is continuous. Okay, how about the distance?
Discrete.
Okay, discrete. Okay, and the messages? The number of message?
Continuous.
Also, continuous. Are you sure?
I don't know.
Don't know. Just guessing. By guessing. The distance. Okay. Actually, the distance is not discrete. Okay. Why I say so? Because distance can be far from be near, right? Okay. Then the distance also not necessarily must be a whole number. It can be 1.5, 0.5, so on, right? So actually, distance is continuous. Okay. And for the messages, number of message should be in a whole number. Okay. So if you want to make sure whether it's a discrete or continuous functions, just make sure can be whole number or not whole number. It's whole number definitely is a discrete. Okay. It's not a whole number, can be decimal, can be fractions, and then will be continuous function. Okay, if you don't want to imagine about the graph, got sambung tak sambung titik-titik tu, you guna cara ni pun boleh. Okay, any one of the way. Okay, so we continue. The next one. Okay, so we go to see what is domain, what is codomain. Okay, so and one more thing is what is range. Okay, let my laptop just restart. Okay, so what is range of functions? So we see the definition one by one. Okay, domain is a function, okay, that set possible values of x, okay, which defines a function. Okay, in short words, okay, just remember it's set of all the objects lah, or all the numbers or all the elements in your x. Paksi x semua nilai paksi x anda adalah domain. Okay, kalau nak ingat lebih mudah ingat lah. Okay, semua elemen dalam paksi x tu adalah domain. Okay, so codomain pula. Okay, for codomain of the function is the set of possible value which define a function. Okay, or you can say it's a set of images and not images. Okay, sambung masuk balik. Okay, I have. Okay, okay, I switch on my laptop already. Okay, that's why I have to turn off the sound there. Okay, so range is the set values of y that are obtained by substituting all the possible values of x. Means that set of images. Okay, when there's object and there's image, then we consider range of function. If there's object without image, ada object tak ada image, maknanya dia tidak boleh dikira sebagai julat. Okay, range is julat in BM. Okay, so kita tengok ni. Okay, So this one domain. Okay, ini boleh nampak dengan lebih jelas. Okay, I'll see clearly. So this is our arrow diagram. Okay, kita punya gambar raja anak panah. So dalam sebelah kiri, for this one the left side, this one we call domain. Okay, on the right side is the codomain. Okay, in graph, kalau dalam bentuk graph, okay, if that is a given in a graph, okay, this is y and this is x, right? So x is your domain. Domain is here. Okay, and your y is your codomain. Okay, paksi y adalah codomain. Okay, nilai dipaksi x adalah domain. Okay, so A is the object. Okay, and B is the image. So on the left side is object, right side is image. Okay, there is must be object mapped with the image. Okay, so B, or you can write in the sentence, B is the image of A is the object of B. Why I show you the sentence? Because sometimes the questions in the exam, they will ask, what is the image of A? So what is the image of A? So the answer is B. You have to give B. So you have to understand the questions. Okay, what is the questions is the answer. So what is the how you want to answer the questions? Okay, or sometimes the question will ask, give me the object of B. What's the object of B? The object of B is give the answer A. Okay, so this is how you give your answer. Sometimes the students always terbalik. Okay, they make a mistake, they terbalik because they cannot understand the questions. Okay, so this is when the arrow diagram can be in like this one, in the bujo type, okay, in the circle type, or can be like this one. Okay, horizontal, can be horizontal. So sometimes there's one questions like this one also, like can be like this also. Can be horizontal, not necessarily must be vertical. Okay, so you have to see lah, from where to where. Let's say if in horizontal, they put like this one. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Let's say this is 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 4. Okay, you can see the arrow. Okay, that's from where to where. Okay, the arrowhead is going down, means that this is your domain. This is your codomain. Okay, when there is a year that as in SPM they come out with this type of question, the student cannot answer because it's not the questions that normally come out is like this and this. Suddenly one year they come up horizontal type terbalik, macam melintang. So all the students like tak tahu macam mana buat. It's actually the same thing. Okay, benda yang sama. Okay, dia tak common, soalan yang tak common dia keluar. So nanti budak semua dah panic lah. They don't know how to answer. Okay, so that is possible way. So you just refer to the arrowhead. Okay, so set 4, 6 is the late range. Can see or not the 4 and the 6. Why the 5 is not in? Okay, because for the range there must be a image, must be an object. If there is an image, when no there is object but no image, the image is not considered as a range. Okay, so dia ini tidak dalam julat sebab dia tak ada objek. Okay, dia tak ada mapping kepada objek. So only kalau julat jawapan 4, 6 sahaja. So nampak bezanya, kalau domain semua nilai dalam paksi X. Kalau codomain semua nilai dalam paksi Y. Okay, kalau objek dengan image, objek sebelah kiri lah, image sebelah kanan. Okay, kalau julat, kalau dia tak ada objek, makna dia tak masuk dalam julat. Okay, boleh ya, boleh ikut ya. So you can see, okay, kalau tulis dalam macam ni, right in the braces form, we call it order pairs. Okay, pasangan bertertib. Okay, pasangan bertertib lah. So can be like this, can be like this. Okay, because in the old syllabus there will be teaching the way to represent the functions. Okay, can be in graph, order pairs, and the arrow diagram. But in your new syllabus, they don't have this. Okay, so I will have to tell you this is an order pair. So from the order pair, 1 to 4, right? 1 kepada 4. On your X is your object, your Y is your codomain or image. Okay, so they're written in pairs dalam pasangan. Okay, X, Y, macam koordinat lah, like you write in a coordinate. Okay, so 3 and 6, 3 to 6. So 4 is the image of 1. The sentence here, 4 is the image of 1. Okay, so ini adalah image lah. Ini adalah objek kan? 4 is the image of 1 lah. Kalau soalan tanya, what is the image of 1? So apa yang kamu jawab? What is the image of 1? 4 lah kan. 4 is the image of 1. Okay. So what is the object of 6? Object of 6 is 3 lah. Objek kita kena tengok balik. Boleh ikut ke ada yang dah pening-pening? Tak boleh bezakan apa itu domain, apa itu codomain. This is a very basic thing. So make sure you understand. Else later then you cannot do the rest of the functions like those composite functions and inverse function. Okay, this is only basic. So the next one, how you determine the domain, codomain and range of the functions. Okay, so this is the arrow diagram. So can you give me what is the domain? Apakah domain dia? Siapa boleh bagi jawapan?
246.
Okay, good. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Okay, so when ask you the domain, you write in 2, 4, 6. Okay, so how about your codomain?
468.
Yes?
4,
4, 6, 8 dah. 4, 6 and 8. Okay. One more thing. When you write 2, 4, 6, 4, 6, 8, okay, you need to write the notation of the braces. Kena buat macam ni juga. Okay. Dalam braces jawapan. Okay. Practice to write out the braces, then put all your domain and codomain inside. Okay. So how about your range? What's your range?
468.
Okay, same also 4, 6, 8. Okay. So ini adalah range dia. Kalau object, what's the object? What's the
246.
object?
246.
2, 4, 6. What's the image?
468.
4, 6, 8. This is a simple one because they can use. So from here, actually, you can notice that what? Okay, domain is same like object, right? Okay, and this one codomain is the image. Okay, you see range, also the codomain. But only different if there, like just now the previous example, if there is no object, then it's not considered in the range. Okay, boleh ya? Okay, so this is the example from your textbook. Okay, so what is the domain for the first one? But ada yang tak rujuk buku tak kan? So what is this is the arrow diagram also. So what is the domain?
PQRS.
URS.
PQRS. Domain is P, Q, R, and S. Okay, codomain. What's codomain? What's the answer for the codomain?
3, 4, 7, 9.
Sorry?
1, 3, 4, 7, 9.
Yes, 1, 3, 4,
3, 4, 7, 9.
9. Yes, good. Okay. So how about your range?
1379.
Yeah,
1,
yes.
3,
1,
9.
3, 4 tak ada masuk 1, 3, 7, 9 only. Okay, the 4 is not in because there is no object. Okay, maps to it, so it's not considered range. Okay, so what is about? How about this domain? This is in graph. The second example. So what is the answer for the domain? As I mentioned earlier, that is a graph. Your x is a what? Value of x is your domain. Okay, a value of y or the fx is your codomain. Okay, so domain is what? -2, then 0, 2, 4. Okay, so all the value for your x exist. Okay, ataupun paksi nilai, semua nilai di paksi x adalah kamu punya domain. Okay, so codomain. Oops, salah. Apa codomain? Codomain tadi cikgu kata adalah apa? Paksi apa? Paksi y kan? So paksi y itu berapa?
1, 2, 3, 4,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Ada 1 ke? Sebab dia dari bawah sampai atas kan. So consider lah from here, all the value here. Okay, walaupun tak nampak kat sana tapi dia adalah masuk 1, 2, 3 sampailah 5. Kenapa 5? Sebab di atas tu ada lagi kan, sini ada lagi nilai. Okay, so kita kira daripada bawah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so kenapa 1? Ini sebenarnya adalah 1. Okay, walaupun tak tulis, so ini 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So itu adalah codomain. Okay, kalau range, apakah julat dia? Range tu mesti ada objek, mesti ada image. Sama tak? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ataupun 2, 3, 4. Sama kan? Kita adalah, ini sini ada 1 di sini, ini adalah 5 di sini. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 range. But you can see all the here 1, okay, 2 also got image, right? 3 and 3 also got image, right? So 4 here also got image. Okay, 5 also got. So setiap satu ada image tu, maka dia adalah masuk dalam julat lah. Okay. So how about number C? Macam mana dengan C? Ni gambar, ni graf ni dia selanjar ataupun continuous. Okay. So you can look at the first one. You can see 1 is 2 here. Here is 0, 3. And here is 3, 6. Okay, the coordinate lah. Okay. So actually for here, for your domain, okay, domain is from where to where? Sini semua kan? Semua ni adalah domain. Okay, maknanya nilai X kamu adalah di antara 0 dengan 3. So kenapa kita tak tulis 0, 1, 2, 3? Because this is continuous. Dia bukan satu-satu. Ini sambung, ini tak sambung, ini sambung. Nampak tak? Okay, the graph, okay, this is only the point, right? Titik-titik sahaja kan? Tapi ini graph dia adalah sambung. So maknanya cara kita nak tulis domain dengan kodomain adalah berlainan. Okay, ini kita tulis ni asing-asing. Ini kena tulis dalam bentuk ini julat. Okay, sebab ini adalah sambung. Sebab ini adalah fungsi selanjau. This is a continuous function. That's why just now I have to explain what is the discrete function and what is the continuous function before we proceed for these questions. Okay, these are the questions. Okay, so how about the codomain? Macam mana dengan codomain pula? Nilai Y dia. Sini adalah fx. So kita buat fx lah. Nilai fx adalah di antara nilai apa dengan apa? Dari mana sampai mana dia punya nilai?
0 to 6.
0 ke 6, 0 ada ke? Tak ada kan? Dia tengok dia punya garisan di sini. Dia paling rendah kat sini saja, tak masuk sini. Dia tak masuk sini. So daripada mana? Ini sampai sini saja kan? 2 to 6. So it's from 2 to 6 only. Okay, 2 to 6 only. Okay, for your codomain. Okay. So ini setiap satu di titik ni semua ada nilai di sini tu, continuous. So sama untuk kamu punya range, sama. So jawapan is in between, is in this. Okay, di antara dua-dua ni. Okay, boleh beza Kena pergi cepat lah. Okay, so ini soalan ni, contoh yang dia bagi. Boleh nampak tak? Tak nampak lagi ni. Ini dulu, okay. So ini tengok, okay, ini soalan dia adalah order pairs, okay, P and Q, set P and set Q. Okay, so the relation is in pairs 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 7. Okay, so the image of 1. So what is the image of 1? Image of 1 is 4 and 6. Ini objek dia adalah satu lah kan. The image of 1 is 4 and 6. That's why dia kata ayat tu sangat penting. Kalau tak faham ayat tu tak boleh bagi jawapan. So the object of 4. Object of 4 tu makna kita kena rujuk kepada image yang ada 4 ke nak image yang ataupun objek yang ada 4. Mana satu?
Image ada 4.
Image ada 4. So the object of 4 adalah satu lah. Image dia adalah 4 lah maknanya. So dia opposite lah. Bukan kata 4 ni adalah objek lah, tapi kita nak cari objek bagi 4. Mana 4 itu adalah image. Okay. So the image of 1 means that the 1 is the object. Okay, we need to find the image. Okay, can see how is the difference of the questions are. Okay, so kalau the domain, codomain, this is direct questions lah. Okay, so for the domain, okay, for the P, set P lah, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so for the codomain is a set Q ataupun nilai Y anda. Okay, with 2, 4, 6, 7, 10. Okay, but range is 4, 6, 7. Why 4, 6, 7? Because in here, this is the relation, right? Ini the order pairs. Ini ada 4, 6, 7. Tapi dalam set dia ada semua nombor. It's codomain. Okay, that's why range maknanya ada image yang tak ada objek. Okay, so only 4, 6, 7 means that the 1, 2 and the 10 without any object. Okay, without mapping to any object. So 2 and 10 is not in the range, but it's in the codomain. Okay, so nampak dia punya perbezaan. So if sometimes the question will ask you what's the type of the relations. Apakah hubungan bagi fungsi ini? So kalau kamu tak nampak, sebenarnya kamu boleh lukiskan. Okay, if you cannot see clearly because that's given in order pairs, you can try to sketch out in using the arrow diagram. Kamu boleh lukiskan. Anak panah tu mudah anda lihat kan. Biasanya pelajar tak nampak, kalau bagi macam ni dia tak tahu macam mana. Okay, so you can see 2, 4, 6, 7, 10. Buat, nampak tak? Kecil sangat tu. 1 kepada 4. So you here 1 to 4. Okay, so 1 to 6. So adalah satu kepada banyak dah. 1 to many dah. Okay, so then 2 and 6. 2, 6, then 3, 7. So dia pun ada macam mana? Banyak kepada satu. Satu kepada banyak. Apabila combine the two, so your relation is many to many. Okay, that's how you determine the relations. Okay, so try to work it out for the first questions now. Cikgu bagi masa sikit, bagi saya jawapan. Cikgu panggil nama, jawab. Managaswari, what's how answer the first question? A. What is the image of 4? Are you there, Managaswari? Ada tak?
Teacher. Hello, teacher.
Yes, let's answer.
2.
2. The image of 4 is 2. So the image of 4. Yes or no? Yes, okay, yes, here. The image of 2. It means they find the object, right? 2 lah. A. The image of 4. Ni soalan macam salah lah. Is it 2? The image of 4. Image bagi 4 adalah 2, betul. Indirect, okay. Dia nak cari image bagi 4 adalah 2 lah, correct, okay. So this is the 4 here, then the image is 2, okay. So how about the B? Object of 2. Satu lagi siapa nak jawab? Haris Hakimi. Okay, ada yang jawab dah kat chat. Anis. Haris Hakimi ada tak Haris? Are you there Haris? Yang lain tu boleh respon. Okay, so 2 dan 4. Okay, why 2 dan 4? Objek bagi 2. Okay, objek bagi 2 adalah 2 dan 4. Kenapa? Tengok ini ada 2 ni. Okay, 2 dan 4. Okay, objek bagi 2 makna image dia adalah 2 lah. So 2 dan 4. Okay, so untuk soalan macam ni, you all can see this one without the braces, right? So this one you can write without braces. Okay, when they ask the question, the image of what, the object of what. Okay, not necessary. Kalau tulis pun tak salah. Okay, kalau kamu tak ingat bila perlu nak tulis braces, bila tak perlu, buat semua lu tulis braces pun tak apa, tak salah. Okay, kalau ada yang tak tulis tu dia tolak markah, dia jadi salah macam ni. Kalau tak tulis tu salah. Okay, tak diberi markah. So if you cannot remember, then for safe, you can write or using braces, no problem. Okay, so what is the domain? Apa itu domain? Sarah, Afisa? No, Sarah.
246.
Sorry, 246 Okay, 246. So how about codomain? Siapa lagi tak jawab soalan? Hafiz. Okay, Rezai Hafiz. Apakah jawapan codomain? Ada tak Hafiz? Ada ke tak? Rezai. Betul tak nak saya sebut nama dia? Panggil Hafiz ke panggil Rezai ya? Ya, biasanya panggil nama dia apa? Rezai. Okay, Rezai. Ada ke tak Rezai? Tertidur lah kot. Aina Zahir. Ada. Okay, 2, 3, 6, 7, 10. Okay, betul ke tak? Tapi kena buat apa? Kena tulis dalam braces So 3, 6, 7, 10. Okay. kena tulis dalam bentuk braces. Okay, ada kurungan tu. Okay, so how about range?
2 to 7.
Range pula. Siapa nak jawab? Okay.
2, 2,
Tadi
7.
siapa buka mic nak jawab? 2?
2, 2, 7.
Apa? 2 dengan 7 sahaja, betul.
Oh,
Okay, 2, 7. Sebab yang lain tu tak ada objek so 2, 7 saja kita tengok sini. 2 dengan 7 sahaja. Okay. So apakah jenis hubungan dia? What's the type of relations? Apakah jenis hubungan dia? Kalau tak tahu tu lukis dulu. Lukiskan dia. Akalkan dia. Ini 2. Ini 4. Ini 6. Okay, so sini pula 2, 3, 6, 7, 10. Okay, so 2 kepada 2. So 4 kepada 2. 6 kepada 7. So apa hubungan ni? What's the relation of this? Siapa nak jawab? Nuha?
Yes, teacher.
What's the answer for this?
Many to 1,
What's the-
teacher.
Sorry?
Many to 1.
Yes. Okay, many to 1 betul. Many to 1. Okay. So mudah kan sebenarnya tajuk ini. Bukan susah. So yang ini, okay, kita last lah untuk yang ni kejap. Okay, kita buat inilah last. Okay. So untuk domain. Patricia, apakah domain untuk soalan ni? Soalan satu ni? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Kena letak braces Kenapa dalam chat tu tak dapat buat braces Okay. So kodomain 1, 2, 3. Okay. Kodomain siapa nak jawab? Siapa lagi saya tak panggil ya? Okay, Anis. Okay, Anis jawab. Apa jawapan dia? Kodomain? Yes, Anis. Apa jawapan? Kodomain? Okay, 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, betul. Okay, kodomain 2, 4, 5, 6 ya. Okay, objek. Siapa nak jawab untuk objek? Siapa lagi saya tak panggil Elisa boleh jawab ke Elisa? Line okay ke? Boleh type? If you're not on the mic, then you can type. What's the object? Elisa, can you hear me? Ada tak Elisa? Nombor satu lagi, Nur Syafriza. Okay, Syafriza, cuba jawab apakah jawapan untuk objek? Tak. Mana Nur Syafriza? Jawapan tu 1, 2, 3 objek. Okay, bagus. 1, 2, 3. How about image? 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3. Okay, image. Sudah? Ini objek, sorry. Image adalah apa? Apa lagi? Syafira? Adlin, Syafira. Apakah jawapan untuk image?
2, 4, 6.
2, 4, 6. Betul ke 2, 4, 6 image? Confident not? Is it correct?
I think so.
You think so? Why you think so? Okay, correct lah. Sebab ada memang image saja kan. Kita nak tengok boleh bezakan ataupun tidak. Okay, range. Range tu berapa? Range tu 2, 4, 5, 6 ataupun 2, 4, 6. Ada nama tak orang jawab ya. Ranjana? What's the answer? What's the range? Apa range dia untuk soalan ni? Ranjana ada lagi tak? Ranjana? Nurin? Okay, cuba bantu. Nurin ada? Apa jawapan? Range? 2, 4, 6. Okay, yes. Okay, 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6 untuk range sebab ini tak ada objek. Okay, so bukan tak dikira. Okay? Okay, Ranjana baru respon kat chat. Okay. Bagus. Okey, lepas tu siapa lagi saya tak panggil tadi? Nama. Alia Husna. Okey. Alia Husna ada? Untuk soalan 2 cepat. Last. Okey, sebelum kita tamatkan kelas hari ini. Nurul Alia, ada tak Nurul Alia? Please give me your answers. Yes, okay. So what's the answer for the domain? You can type at the chat. What's the domain? Okay, 135. You good? So I believe all of you can differentiate idea what is domain, what is codomain. So for this one, codomain is what? 3, 9, 15, and 20. Right not? So object, same thing, 135. Object 135. Image 3, 9, 15. Okay. Cikgu nak cepat dah. Ada tugas lain. Okay. So last, the range is what? 3, 9, 15 also. Okay. 3, 9, and 15. Okay. So I think this we stop here lah for this one. Actually, I have few slides some more. Okay. Few more slides. I want to go to the object and the relay image. But never mind lah. We continue our lesson on Thursday. Thursday probably also we can carry the out the class in the morning lah. Okay, because I still have class with Form 5, the SPM student around 11. I'll try to make it. Okay, if no class, I will inform you all. Okay, if I didn't say anything, means that the class is on as usual. Okay, so now I want you all to rate this one to the 5 to 5. I have another link. Okay, wait. Let me open the Mentimeter for the exit for today. Ya, aku share satu link dulu. So I want you all to rate rate yourself. It's from 5 to 5. Okay, so whether you all understand or not for the how you about the discrete function, okay, about the continuous function, about the domain, codomain, range. Okay, so how far you could understand for this? Okay, why I need to do that? Because that's one of the way I do the PBD. Okay. You all know what's the PBD or not? Pentaksiran bilik darjah. Okay, because we cannot do in the bilik darjah, right? So from one, or what or your respond, that can be the evidence to me. Okay, to give you all the pen 1, 2, 3, 4. Kalau kamu tak respon, cikgu tanya soalan kamu tak faham, kamu tak dapat tanya, dia jawab, cikgu anggap tak faham lah, cikgu bagi 1, 2, 3 je lah. Kalau kamu faham, cikgu akan bagi buat 4, boleh buat soalan semua dengan bagus, 5 dengan 6 lah sampai. Okay, so ini cikgu bagi share satu link lagi kat chat Mentimeter tu. Tolong klik tu dengan respon. Okay, daripada 1 sampai 5 kamu uji menilai diri anda. Okay, you rate yourself from 1 to 5 about the content you learn just now, about all the domain, codomain and so on. Okay, jangan keluar dulu. Satu lagi cikgu nak kamu buat soalan. Okay, your homework for today, textbook. Okay, your textbook, your homework for today, take down the exercise. Okay, the self-practice 1.2. Self-practice 1.2, do the question number 1. Did I ask you to do these questions?
Yes, teacher, we've done both.
Sorry?
We've done all of the questions on 1.2.
1.2 done already today. Okay, then which is good. Okay, then I will give you all another questions later lah. Because I give you all in the worksheet. Okay, because the textbook only few questions only. Okay, nanti cikgu akan share dalam Google Classroom lah soalan yang extra tu. Okay.